Hi guys, my name is April and I am going on a little adventure. I've decided to try my hand at BP, and I got the kit for $5.99, so I thought I would open it and show you guys what all I got. Pretty excited. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's see what's in the kit. And if you don't know what BP is, we reveal really beautiful jewelry. This ring, it's a moonstone. I have this one, and the bracelets, it's ice cream cone. And the necklace that I have on, this ring. They also have earrings. It's necklaces, earrings, necklaces, rings, earrings, and bracelets. It's really cute stuff. You can get a genuine real life diamond. I just saw a video of somebody that revealed $3,500 diamond earrings. They're absolutely beautiful. Oh wow, let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like when you open it. So the $5.99 kit, with shipping and taxes, it's $6.15, and it comes with stuff. It comes with enough inventory that you can go ahead and launch. Let's see what we have in here. We have, oh man, these are big. These are size 10 rings right here, and it's $19.95 a ring, I believe. Size 10, size 9. These are chunky. Size 8, my goodness, these are huge. This is my first time ever touching one of these. And this one right here is fat. I'm not trying to shame it or nothing, but size 7. This is what I wear. It's gonna be really hard for me not to try to fizz those. And size 6, these are really chunky too. Size 6. And oh, this is an assortment here. They kind of got all messed up. Get over here. Oh, there's a lot. And then another assortment. And ooh, what are these? I think these are earrings. Yeah, these are earrings. So got a couple of these. There's a lot. And then these are what the necklaces look like, and they do come packaged and sealed. And so what we do is we go live on TikTok. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. It's april.fizzles. I gotta get 1,000 so that I can go live. You get a bunch of necklaces, bunch of earrings, bunch of rings, and then this is what's in there. Let me get this thing out. Put the box over here. Alrighty. And the bath bombs, I think they don't smell like anything, which I wish that they did. I think that would be fun. They don't smell like anything, and it's a little messy. It's already all over my hands. And it's on this white box. Okay. Oof. All right. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they take this thing good. They said you're gonna work for this. Okay. And this is what you see. Paperwork. And then these are the owners, they're sisters. So everything you need right here. Guide to compensation. Everyone is invited to our parties, and it has some of the things on there. Getting started guide. Look at the picture on the back. That's so pretty. Look at this one. That's pretty. Okay, that's nice. Put it in there. And then, welcome to the family. And then it has some stuff on the back there. And then, oh, look at this. My husband's gonna be pissed when he sees this because I'm gonna show you why. He's like, you already have enough of those. This is what it looks like under the welcome kit, and look. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You guys. I have so many pins. He's gonna be like, not another pin. I love this. This is so pretty. It's rose gold. That is so beautiful. I love that. It'll go in my collection stash that I don't use. I have so many pins, and I have a jar of Pacific pins that I absolutely don't use. They're just my collection pins. And then you have a mobile lens. Oh goodness. A cleaning. And then you put it over your phone so that you can go in ring vision when you get close. Like if that was blurry, I would use this and it wouldn't be blurry anymore. And then there's, oh, if I can get it out. I like the case, it's nice. And there's this one. It's a lens. That's nice. Put that back in there. Okay. I like that it comes in a case. That's great. And then we have, I don't know what this is, but it's like a little cloth. You could use this, I guess, to clean the, I guess this is what you use to dry off. You can dry off the jewelry or something. So this was in, so this, you do like that. And then you can just show it. Look how beautiful that is. I have matches. I'm trying to make it to all the, I want to have, because they do a rhodium, sterling silver, and gold, rose gold. So I like want to have like all my favorite rings, like every color, every stone. Look how beautiful that is. I absolutely love the blues. It's really pretty. So that's what you can do with that. It goes over here. Somehow it came out. It doesn't like its home apparently. And then, hold on, gotta get this back in there. Okay. I forgot this. And there's something else underneath it. Go in there. Okay, and then there's the scooper, and it's rose gold. It says bath bomb. Now, so my upline is Tammy, and she uses a crock pot. So I got a slow cooker crock pot thing for mine, but most people just like use bowls of really hot water. I'm gonna use the crock pot because I don't want to have to continue to get new water, and I think that's just, BP hack. But this is cute. Definitely going to use this. And then we also have a towel. It goes like this, so that you can put it underneath stuff or whatever. It's a cute towel. Kind of wish there was pink. My whole aesthetic is pink. I got a pink desk. It's so freaking cute. Go back in there. Be good. There you go. Good job. Good job. Okay. And then let's take this out. Take it out. And then it has more ring bombs. Basically, they're telling me to practice my fizz. And then you get 2 Mellors. These are really good because I can take these in the store with me so I can see what sizes I need. All right, that's everything that you get in a kit. Please make sure that you follow my it's april.fizzes on TikTok. That's where I will be doing my lives. I'm gonna post this video to YouTube, so if you're watching on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna post this on Instagram. Please make sure you follow me there. Post this on both of my TikToks. I have a personal TikTok and now the April Fizzles TikTok. Make sure you follow me, subscribe, like, comment, all of that stuff. I want to try to do my first live March the 12th. And I know that's cutting it kind of close, but I do think I can do it. Hopefully. I will keep you guys updated. I will post when I am going live, when my party is open and I'm ready. Without further ado, thank you for watching. If you are interested, let me know and I will get you Tammy's information, because I am not ready to have people under me, but she is, so I will do that for you. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Chipisa Lachki!